and we're super excited about sponsoring WRC for another year, this time with 46.5 million shillings. And it just demonstrates our continued support of Kenyan sports. We need to make sure that everyone who comes to the rally, whether it's the fans, it's the drivers, it's the journalists, it's the partners, are connected 24/7 and with the best connectivity that only Safaricom can provide. So we're going to have 8 cows on wheels across the route. That makes sure that you're connected, you can experience it, you can share it with your friends and all that good stuff. We're also going to be powering the 2 media centers and making sure that they have the connectivity, which is critical. And then, of course, because this is an international competition, there's a world stream, right? We are the ones who are going to be powering that world stream, again, demonstrating the power of our network. We also need to make sure that people are safe at the WRC. Yeah, so we're going to have IoT solutions on ambulances, on safety cars, so that we're tracking and we're making sure we're clear where everyone is, and we can manage the safety of people on the route, because that's super important. And then lastly, we're also going to bring the M-Pesa Foundation medical camp to the region.
Safaricom has been a great help to the Safari Rally. They've showed up in their areas of strength. Big difference between WRC, for example, and Formula One is that it's dynamic. Formula One guys are just running around a tarmac track. I'm not saying it's easier, but the rally is really something else. And the drivers, of course, want new exciting stages. So the new stages really are injecting a new challenge. The drivers are excited about it. They've seen the new stages. They're happy. They've done their recce's. That's why even in old places like Kasarani, we are running the track in reverse. So the drivers are faced with a new challenge. So if we're running clockwise, they're now running it anti-clockwise. Introduces a little bit of a small challenge, small difference. And we have a few other stages that we've also reversed. Kedong, we've also just introduced a few new roads. We've tried to avoid most of the areas with very loose fesh. It's an appeal to the Kenyan public. Please be respectful, be courteous on the road. If you're not coming for the rally and you do not need to be on that road, please do not be on that road from the 20th to the 23rd of March.
To have this competition drive through our nation, it always showcases our beauty, which I think all of us as Kenyans are proud of. You can come to the rally knowing that you will be connected, you'll have a brilliant experience, courtesy of Safaricom.